Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As we all know by now, Ngizwe Mchunu's home has been burnt down, guys. The houses are just kuningi sana kuningi, but people are now suspecting that Ngizwe Mchunu is the one behind all of this, because kuthiwa allegedly the furniture was removed and then the houses were burnt. People are just like, no, this is something that was well orchestrated. Guys, please watch this video and let me know what you think in the comment section.
It is reported apparently that Ngizwe Mchunu's house or houses or Randaville's houses were burning earlier on. It is circulating here on social media. Is it a good thing? No, it's a bad thing. I think whatever that happened there, it's a bad thing. We shouldn't be celebrating it. However, I personally do not believe any person from anywhere came and burned those houses. I don't believe that. I don't believe it was arson. I believe it was a well orchestrated plan by Ngizwe and his friends to achieve two things. One, so that he can get donation to build proper houses because he didn't have a proper house. Secondly, so that he can act as if people from outside drove all the way from wherever they stay and went to look for his house, Randaville house, and touch them. That I do not believe. I don't believe that. Like I said, it's not a good thing that somebody's Randaville's house was burning. I don't believe somebody from outside did that. I believe it's an inside job to achieve two things. One, so that he can get money for donation, because that's what he does. He lives off donations. He want to build a better house off donations of his followers. Secondly, he want to portray that somebody is following him and they want to get rid of him, which I don't believe any person want to get rid of that fool. I don't agree with anything that happened to his houses, but I do not believe somebody did that. Nobody would want to have that fool, because people understand that he's just a guy that lives off begging. He's a beggar. I mean, a beggar will do anything. He will sing for his supper any day. That's my belief. I don't care who thinks what. I do not believe any person could live wherever they stay and go to wherever Ngizwe stays and go touch those Randavilles of his. I don't believe that. But on the lighter note, I saw a picture which made me laugh that suggested that Indlu Shangani is better than Indlu Ngizwe Mchunu. Maybe that's why he's jealous. That's why maybe Mona. That's why Mkhopolo. Because Indlu Shangani is more than Indlu Ngizwe. Or is Indlu Ngizwe, which are those hundreds of Randavilles that we're burning earlier on today. It's just on a lighter note.